The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
For his goodness and for his mercy. You know, this is my first time going live. But today I experienced something that I've never experienced before. You know, I was going to Montego Bay, but while I was in Monique, there was an accident with a soldier. You know, the vehicle turned over in Monique and was pinned to the wall. You know, I have video that I'm about to send as soon as I done this video. And the soldier was just lying there on the ground, and the other soldier was helping him, trying to get him not to close his eye, get him to, you know, respond, don't fall asleep or so. And while I just stopped my vehicle. I stopped my vehicle and I run to the soldier. And I started to cry, Jesus. I lay my hands on him. And I started to cry, Jesus. And I started to cry, Jesus. And you know, the other soldier went on his phone and was calling Monique for help. And I was just shouting, Jesus. Blood was just rushing out of his mouth and out of his nostril. You know, I never see so much blood in my life before. Blood, he was just coughing up blood. And I was just saying, Jesus, Jesus. But I realized that while he was coughing up the blood was going back down. So I had to turn him over upon his side. And when I turned him over upon his side, he tried to get up. I said, soldier, lie down. And he tried to get up again, and I said, soldier, lie down. And I started to plead the blood of Jesus against death. You know, and I was there. And when I roll him over now, he started to shake. And I said, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. And I command healing in his body. You know, and the other soldier, you know, he touched something that we need to lose. And we lose a strap of over his body that was just trapped onto him. He wanted it to loose, and we lose it. And I was there crying, Jesus. And another lady come and help me cry, Jesus. And when we wait and wait for the ambulance, no ambulance not showing up. I heard the soldier said, the gun is in, I have the gun, I have this, I have that. But we still didn't see any ambulance. And there and then I still start to cry, Jesus. The other soldier asked, who can bring him for him? And everybody come pass by, and everybody stop, and everybody just looking. And I was just looking to see who would have volunteered. And then the soldier asks again, who will carry him? And I have to say, I will bring him, even though I was going to a company. You know, I was going to Mobile to let off some goods from a company. And I didn't want them to blood up, but I still volunteer and say, I will bring him. And I rush to the van and I put the goods them quickly round to the back, and I make a space for him in my van. In the blue and white van that you see in the video. And one time I said I will bring him. That's when everybody start to help now. But I'm saying to Jamaicans people, I'm speaking to you tonight. I'm saying don't look to see somebody blow their last breath and video them till them dead before you offer assistance. I've seen many cases, I've watched many videos where people just look and video to see people blow their last breath. When did we as Jamaican come to this, where we video people till them die? When I was much younger, when I see somebody get hurt, I see people rush them to the hospital. No, nobody want to help no one. But I'm saying even in Kaylan's situation, you know, I blame the 5 ladies who are beating her so badly. But I also blame them who stand around and watch the person beat her till she almost died. We have a responsibility to help them. We have a responsibility to Put them in our car, put them in our van, put them in our bus. We can't leave there our soul. They can be our mother, they can be our father, they can be our sister and our brother. We have to take the time out. Videoing is important for people to see, but what is most important is a person's life. Life is more important. So I want to say to Jamaican, when did we lose the vision of helping somebody on the way? When did we lose the vision to see somebody dying and assist them? When did our life come to this big joke that we video to see somebody lose their life? So I implore all Jamaican that you share this video. When you see somebody dying, offer help, offer assistance. Somebody is in need. Somebody need your help. And most of all, we thank God. You know, I call a soldier friend of mine, and I heard that his name was Williams. And I'm saying, Williams, you shall not die, but you shall live to declare. I pray that when God bring you out, you will give your life to Him. I pray when God bring you out, you will surrender. So Williams, I speak to you anytime you get a chance to see this video. I'm saying, give God a chance in your life. And I'm saying to us as Jamaican, let us unite as one. We cannot see our brother and our sister by the wayside dying and don't offer help. I see people drive by. I see people video people that have been stabbed and saying help. And Jamaican video until that person loses life. So I'm saying to Jamaican, bring back the love in Jamaica. Bring back that unity, that love, that when you see your brother and your sister, oh God, you will help them. And before I close, I want to say, Jamaican, those who are not saved, get saved. And those that are in this church playing, they are soul to save, they are soul to rescue. And God have called us for such a time as this. So I'm saying to you, give your life to God.
Viewers and subscribers, I agree with some of the things that this person said in this video. Yeah, I agree with some of the things that this person had said in this video, you see? And it's not the first time you hear someone talk about something like this, where it is said that a person had been injured and one or maybe more than one persons is at the scene of that incident recording what's going on instead of helping the person who had been injured. You see what I said to you? And in my point of view, I think that something like that is wrong. You see what I said to you? I think it is best to help the person instead of their recording what's going on, because by helping the person at a certain instance or immediately, you probably save the person's life, or you probably save person's life. You see what I said to you? See, well anyways, you know, this person said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that she's talking about an incident that happened within the country of Jamaica. You see me? I hear the person mentioned a place that is known as Monique. You see me? And you know, this person talk about a soldier who had been injured and so on. You see me? I said to you, and she went on to explain the situation and certain things. You see me? Now, I saw a news article about an incident where it is said that a soldier had been hospitalized in serious condition. You see me? And in that news article, it is said that a soldier vehicle had overturned, and that's why the soldier had been hospitalized in serious condition. You see me? And according to that news article, it is said that the incident happened on the 2nd of December 2020 within a place that is known as Monique, that is within the parish of St. Anne, that is within the country of Jamaica. You see me? I said to you. So according to some of the things that this person had said, you see me? It seems as if this person is talking about that incident. You see me? I said to you. Yeah, it just seems so to me still. But anyways, the point is what I try to make when I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? And I think this person is trying to make the same point in this video as well. You see me? Instead of recording what's going on at a scene of an incident where a person had been injured, I think it is best to help the person more than their recording what's going on. You see me? Help instead of recording the person until the person dead. You see me I say? I don't think that is right. You see me I say? Anyways, I saw this video on social media. I bring it to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said. You see me? Let me repeat that. I saw this video on social media, so I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said. You see me? Some of the things that this person had said, I found it interesting and I agree with some of the things that this person had said. So I bring this video to you so that you can listen and tell me what you think about some of the things that this person talked about in this video. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.